Hello, Harrison School and Internet and anyone else who's listening. This is another Which Button, which today is going to be focusing on Edmodo, and it's going to be focusing on one of the most important things about Edmodo, which is your backpack. Now, your backpack, which you'll see, you've got this little icon over here, which will always be on your page, no matter what group you're in. Your backpack is cloud storage. If you're not quite too sure what cloud storage is, think of it like a internet USB thumb drive. You can save files to your backpack from any device you're using, from your iPad using the Edmodo app, or from any desktop computer. And what it means is that if you log on to your Edmodo on one computer and you've saved something to your backpack, it will be on any other computer or device that you log on to Edmodo on. So makes life, pretty useful. So what I'm going to show you today is how to upload something to your backpack, and it is dead easy. So the first thing you need to do is just go over here to your backpack. So as you can see with my mouse, it's going all the way over here, and I'm going to click on my backpack. And when I do that, thankfully the internet's working today, you can see that I've got nothing in here at the moment. So there's this big button here that says Add to Backpack, but there's also the same button up here over on the right hand side. So when you eventually have files in this center area here, or files in your backpack, that button's going to disappear. So I want you to get used to pressing this one over here. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to add to backpack. So I've clicked that one, and this little dialog box has come up. You'll see that there are two options. You can upload a file, or you can save a link. So let's say that you've got a particular website that you go to a lot and that you want to keep a record of. You can type that website in here and it will save for you. Notice that when I just click off google.com, it's actually automatically found the title of that website and inserted it. So I can just go add, and then boom, there's the link. And you know it's a link because it's got the big world symbol, which I guess is Edmodo's symbol for the internet. But let's maybe add a file. So we're going to go to Backpack and let's add a file. So we're on Files, that's all grayed there, and it's got the big Upload button. So click the Upload button, and then a file browser will come up. Now I'm using a Mac, so this is what a Mac file browser looks like. You can access all your folders and that on the left-hand side here, and any kind of disks or media and that sort of stuff you've got in. Or on a PC, this is going to look slightly different, but hopefully we're all used to what a file browser looks like. So I'm going to click on the file that I want to upload, which is this little text file here. It's called a normal file. I'm going to click Open, and down here, there it is, a normal file.txt, and I can now add that to my backpack. This little X here, you can click that in case you go, whoops, I clicked on the wrong file, I don't want to add that one, so it'll get rid of it, and then you can go back to Upload and select the file you want. I'll just pick the same one again, and then just click the Add button, and then there it is, a normal file.txt. Oh, cool. Looks like it's got a little screen grab of the website up there too for your link. But in any case, so now if I click on these files in my backpack, I can see that a normal file.txt. I can go over here, and I've got this little button here, which is pretty much the Open button. If you click this one on a computer, it is going to open the file, and in the case of a text file, it's opening it up inside the browser. So if you want to download it to edit it or work on it, then you're going to have to right-click on it and go Save Link As. And as you can see, there we go. So I can now save it as a text file. Once again, this will look a little bit different on a PC, but not too different. I'm going to cancel that there. And you can do other things like sort stuff into folders, but I might explain that in another video. But there you go, that's your backpack. So this is an easy way for you to do things like, well, storing all of your assignments and files and everything that's due to us. And this also does mean that, of course, teachers won't really be saying or accepting the excuse of I left my thumb drive at home because, well, you've got your Edmodo backpack. So I strongly suggest you start using it. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed. Start using a backpack. Start now. Why haven't you started? Put things in your backpack.